What you working on?
Editing.
Is that the next video?
This is the next video. This is a tube preamp and this is a solid state preamp.
Well, I was wondering, the shop is really slow right now. We've got a slow point in the day. I was wondering if you wouldn't mind helping me record a little video. We made a couple purchases yesterday and I thought everybody might want to see it. Do you got a minute?
Yeah.
We had a guy come in here yesterday and he had a van full. This is just some of the stuff we picked up this week. People are starting to bring stuff in. Usually the spring cleanup stuff's usually kind of in rough shape. You know, this is stuff that kind of sits. You know, when it gets nice, people want to start going through their garage, and in Iowa, they start going through their barn. And as you can see, it looks like a barn is where some of this stuff's been stored. This guy just donated this to us. You know, it's definitely parts. You can see all the dust knock off of it. A few of these pieces aren't bad. We picked these up from a guy yesterday. He brought them in. He might be
Okay, well,
if I'm not.
most of them, all of them need, well,
Need work.
yeah.
There's a couple
Advent.
legacies.
Yeah, pull them out.
Probably been part of a, you know, whole Pioneer. They look like the 80s
Oh, right.
rack cabinet and everything. I think the only thing I'd probably be interested in is the Advents.
Yeah, that's the dark that's got,
Fisher.
that's Pioneer. Got a button. So everything else works, all the lights work.
Yeah.
80, I know what you think about 80.
I think.
I know plans. Oh, it's pretty rough. Maybe they are. It's all pretty rough. He's got 2 Kenwoods down here. I might be interested in the 4 Advents.
What's this here?
It's a Pine. Yeah, I think I'd be interested in the 2 Kenwoods, the 4 Advents. Most likely, honestly, you know, the offer I make is it's kind of parts, you know. Yeah. I'm thinking, you know,
Like this black one here.
right, but I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
got
got- I
no,
did.
and I'm not trying to beat you up on it.
No interested in the big ones. I figured it'd be interested in this.
I mean, they're really not worth much. If anything, I'd refoam and find a friend that wants some garage speakers, but they're not.
Yeah, they got a thump to them.
Yeah.
Not interested in these other ones for parts, man.
No, man, I got parts coming up with yin yang. Yin yang. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this one.
I didn't know if you've seen that.
Yeah, I didn't see that. And then I got these yesterday. They are 4311s. They need some work, not too bad. Gotta love 4311s.
Are these the ones that are upside down?
Yeah, they're upside down. Sometimes there's a guy named Burton that'll make badges for these. He reverses the labeling on there so you can put them right side up. And then I picked up these bows today. They are Series 2 601s. And those are my favorite, the 601s. We grabbed these Advent speakers and I cleaned up one. You can kind of see, you know, this is what they look like out of the van. And I'm still not sure if I'm just gonna part these things out or if I'm actually gonna try making them presentable enough that we could actually sell them.
They look a lot, I mean, that one looks a heck of a lot better.
Yeah, you know, we'd have to redo the grill cloths. We'd have to redo the foam on these, obviously, but I think these are salvageable. These I'm still kind of questioning just because of the condition of them, but this is a good sign that spring is coming in Iowa, because this is what starts coming in. And a lot of this stuff, you know, I have to buy it from parts because you can tell by the way it's been sitting, it hasn't been exactly, you know, loved. So thanks for watching another video. Eric's got to get back to work. He's got to get that video done for Sunday, which is going to be on amplifiers from the 70s. Hope you enjoyed this one. Just wanted to show you some of the day-to-day that happens around Skylabs in West Des Moines, Iowa. So have a great one. We'll see you Sunday. Thank you. Bye.